Hello and welcome everyone, you're watching Learn with Ears. In today's video, we're looking at demonstrative pronouns. Okay, so let's get started. There are 8 types of pronouns. These are demonstrative pronouns, personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, indefinite pronouns, reciprocal pronouns, interrogative pronouns, and relative pronouns. Okay, and today we are looking at demonstrative pronouns first, right? Demonstrative pronouns are this, that, these, those. Okay, only these 4 words: this, that, these, and those. We use this and that with singular nouns, and we use these and those with plural nouns. Okay, you might be wondering, why do we use demonstrative pronouns? So it is used to identify or point out a particular item or items like people, thing, places, animal, okay, in reference to the speaker. Okay, so demonstrative pronouns is used to point out a particular item. It can be people, thing, places, or animal, anything. Now let's understand in this way. This, we use this with singular noun. Okay, here I have a football near to me. Okay, near to me. This is my football. These we use with plural nouns. Okay, here there are many footballs near to me, so I'll say these are my footballs because they are plural and close to me. It's near to me, so I'll say these are my footballs. Here this is my football because it's one, and near to me, near. And here these are my footballs because it's plural. Okay, it's not one, it's not single, it's plural. Now let's see next, that. We use that with singular noun. Okay, if I'm standing here and football is far away, I'll say that is my football. I'll use that because it's singular and far. It's not close to me. Okay, those, plural. We use those with plural nouns. Far. Okay, far and many. Those are my footballs. Okay, because they are many. It's not singular. Okay, it's not one football, there are many footballs. So I'll say those are my footballs. Okay, so we understood near and far. If something is singular and near, we use this, and if it's far, we use that. If something is near and many, we use these, and if it's far, we use those. Okay, now let's see some more examples. This is a kite. Far. That is a kite. Here, something is here. Okay, near, here we use this. Something is there. There, far, we use that. Here and plural. These are kites. There, there, far. And plural, we use those. Those are kites. Okay, these are kites here near to me. Those are kites there. Okay, now let's do practice. This tree, that tree. This bird, that bird. These fruits, those birds. This kite, that kite. Those trees, those kites. This car, those cars. Those street lights, those dogs. This flower, these flowers. Those flowers. That boy. Now let's put the right words in blanks. Okay, so here we have first sentence. We have chocolates and near, close to us. So if we have chocolates, means it's plural, and near. So we use these. These are expensive chocolates. Next, books, plural, and distant, far. Okay, so far and plural, we use those. Those are old books. Next, apple and far. Okay, singular and far. That is a green apple. Next is my new watch. Watch, singular and near. So we use this. This is my new watch. Next, beautiful flowers, near, close, and flowers, plural. So we use these. These are beautiful flowers. Next, brown bag. Bag, singular, near. This is his brown bag. This is his brown bag. Next, students, plural, and far. Those are my students. Brother, and far. That is my brother. Now let's see how do we use demonstrative pronouns when talking about pairs, like shoes, pajamas, pants, earrings, sunglasses, jeans, etc. If we have shoes, we can't say this shoes. That'll be incorrect. We'll say these shoes. Okay? We can't say that shoes. That'll be incorrect. We'll say those shoes. Okay? That's correct because it's plural. Okay? If we are talking about pairs and we don't want to use these shoes or those shoes, anything, so we use a pair of. Okay? A pair of jeans, a pair of shoes, a pair of pajamas, a pair of sunglasses, etc. For example, I like this pair of shoes. Or, I like that pair of shoes. Okay? A pair of shoes. Now let's see some more sentences. I like those gloves. Or we can say, I like that pair of gloves. You look nice in these sunglasses. Or we can say, you look nice in this pair of sunglasses. We can gift him these jeans. Or we can gift him this pair of jeans. He will like these pajamas. He will like this pair of pajamas. We also use demonstrative pronouns when we talk about current or ongoing events. We use this and these when something is happening now in present. For example, this food is healthy. This food is healthy. We are eating at the moment in present. Okay, so we use this because we are eating at the moment in present. Let's see another example. These comedians are great. We're enjoying at the moment in present. Okay, enjoying now. So we use these comedians. Talking about past events. When we talk about past situation, past events, we use that and those. Okay, when something happened in past. Now let's see example. That food was unhealthy. Now let's see another example. Those comedians were great. Enjoyed in past. Okay, we are not enjoying at the moment. We enjoyed in past. So when we talk about past events, we use that and those. And when we talk about current or ongoing events, we use this and these. Okay. We can also use demonstrative pronouns to replace nouns, situations, ideas, etc. We use it to avoid repetition. For example, we are going for a picnic. Do you have any suggestion about that? About what? About going for a picnic. But we don't want to repeat it. We use about that. Next, look at the flowers. These are beautiful. What are beautiful? Flowers. Next, why don't you eat healthy food? That's wrong. What's wrong? Eating unhealthy food. Okay, so we also use it to avoid repetition, right? So that's it for the day. Thank you very much for watching.